Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a 2023 IB AAHL math question that covers topics from sections 1.2 and 1.3. Let's dive right into. The question provides the sum of the first n terms in a sequence using a formula, and the first part asks us to find the sum of the first 5 terms. To solve this, we will need to apply the given formula. Let's break it down and work through it step by step. Finding the sum of the first 5 terms means that n equals 5. So we substitute 5 into the formula for n. From the calculations, we can see that the sum of the first 5 terms is 45. In the second part of the question, we're given additional information, the sum of the first 6 terms, and we're asked to find the 6th term of the arithmetic sequence. Don't forget, our answer from the first part can be used to help solve the rest of the question. The sum of the first 6 terms means adding up the terms from first term to 6th term. We can express S5 in a similar way as the sum of the terms from first term to 5th term. Now, I'm sure you can see that S6 can be expressed as S5 plus 6th term, which is U6. From my calculations, we found that S5 is 45, and based on the given information, S6 equals 60. This leads us to determine that U6 is 15. Now the question asks us to find the value of first term, U1. This type of question is often designed to set us up for further parts, as IB frequently uses this tactic in longer questions. Of course, the sum of the first term simply means it equals the first term. After substituting 1 for n, we find that S1 or U1, which is the first term, is 5. In Part C, we are asked to find the general term of the arithmetic sequence in terms of n. The formula for the general term is provided in the formula booklet. So let's use that to solve it. According to the formula, to find the general term, we need both the first term and the common difference. D. At this point, we don't yet know the common difference. But we can use our previous answer, U6 and U1, to find D common difference. After calculating, we find that the common difference D is 2. Now, we can substitute the first term and the common difference into the general term formula to express it in terms of n. Let me move on to Part D. Before tackling this, I'll bring together everything we've figured out so far. In Part D, we're asked to find the common ratio of a geometric series. There's additional information we need to consider to solve the rest of the question, as these will be helpful in solving Part D. From the additional information, we learn that the second term of the geometric sequence is 5 and the fourth term is 15. We know that to find the next term in a geometric sequence, we multiply the previous term by the common ratio. This means the third term equals the second term multiplied by the common ratio, and fourth term equals the third term multiplied by the common ratio. Therefore, we can say that the fourth term equals the second term multiplied by the common ratio squared. After substituting the values and calculating, we find that the common ratio is either positive square root 3 or negative square root 3. According to Part E, the 99th term is negative, meaning the common ratio must be negative. The question asks us to find the 5th term of the geometric sequence using this information. Just like in the previous questions, I'll use the fact that the next term in a geometric sequence is the previous term multiplied by the common ratio. From this, we can say that the 5th term equals the 4th term times the common ratio. To calculate the 5th term, simply substitute the values and perform the calculation. From the math, we will get the 5th term as negative 15 square root 3. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. In less than 5 minutes, we were able to achieve 14 marks, which is amazing. At the end of the video, you'll find the mark scheme for the question. I recommend you take a look at it, as I sincerely believe it will be beneficial for you as well.